Okay. Alright, y'all. I've got what I'm hoping is just a nice, quick, and easy install. But now that I've said that, I probably just jinxed myself. I ordered a Fender Bib, and it just came today. 78117. I researched it as best I could, and it's supposed to be fit. It's supposed to fit just fine on my bike. It's got a slit there for this seat, that fender bolt, and a hole here for this one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to exchange it. I'm going to put this one up by here, and I'm going to move this one to the back. So let me do that. I know I'm giving you a weird angle. Let me do that, and you don't need to see me unscrew all that stuff, and I'll show you the result of it. All right, so sit tight. Be back in a few. And just real quick before I put it on, it does come with a nice little felt layer stitched in, so that's nice. All right, so yeah, that's nice. All right, hold on. Be back in a second. Yeah, I must have jinxed myself. Right off the bat, we got a little issue with the slit right here. It doesn't line up. It's too far forward. See, here's that back hole right there, and there you can see it's just a little bit too far forward. So I really don't want to cut into this leather, but I may have to, because that's the only alternative I have. Let me put you on hold. Come back a sec. Okay, it's not that far off, but it's just far enough off. So yeah, put this. This was the screw that was up here, and right underneath, you see the slit right there? So it's not that far off. It's just off about, ooh. Let's see if I can give you a better shot. Yeah, see that? It's only off about ½ inch. So, yeah. I'm just going to, you know what? I'm going to make a hole. I'm not going to make a slit. I'm just going to make a tiny hole. And, but I like it. It's not even in yet, and I like it. So sit tight. Let's see if we can get this done without making a big mess. Hold on. Okay, and trying to figure out what I was going to use to poke a hole in this leather. I just found a little Phillips screwdriver. I was looking for an awl or a punch, and I'm thinking I just need just the smallest of holes, because this is the bolt I'm going to put in. I got this. This was from another kit that I bought for the Fender. So I'm going to move this one up to that spot right there. So let me mark it, take my time with it, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, sit tight. We're still working on it. We're going to get it. Hold on. Success. There she is. The Fender Bib, which I had no idea even existed until just recently. So it's from Mustang, and it closely matches the stitching of the vintage seat. That's one of the reasons I bought it, because I saw it. In fact, when I went shopping for the seat on Amazon, I saw they had the seat with the bib, and for a minute I thought this may have came with the seat, but it didn't. It's an extra piece. So it's the Fender Bib 78117 for my particular application. So there's the part number 140-50092. And like I said, I moved, this bolt was up here, and I moved, yeah, so I just reversed them, and I had to make a new little hole. Started out with small little Phillips, and then I went to a bigger Phillips, and got it to work. So I like it. It dresses it up, you know, dresses it up just nice. All right, let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. All right, so as usual, more to come.